Hi, boys and girls. Welcome again to Math Today. Yesterday, we talked a lot about 2D and 3D shapes, and we identified their names. We even talked about and reviewed some position words. Today, I'd like to talk about shapes again, but more so describing their features, describing their attributes. Describing cubes.
Describing cubes. Math word, cube. A cube is a 3D shape. These students are describing a cube. This block looks like a blank number cube. It has squares on the sides. It has 6 square faces. I counted them. Front, back, side, side, top, bottom. That's 6. I can build a tower with these cubes. This cube also has square faces, but the squares are bigger. Try it. Drag a cube from the set of 3D shapes into the workspace. Drag a cube into the workspace. Tap the Start Over button to clear the workspace.
What you're to do is to drag it over and describe the attributes. How would you describe the cube? So you might say, I'll use this one. You might say a cube is a 3D shape. It's solid. It has pointy corners. It has straight edges. It has flat faces. Say pointy corners, straight edges, flat faces, and the face is a square. And then you put it back and you describe another one. Now you have these shapes in your bag. All right. Also, I would like for you to play Shape Hunt again, but this time when you play, instead of going and getting a 3D shape that matches the cone and matches the sphere like we did yesterday, I want you and your partner to use describing words like, all right, go get a shape that has no faces and it is round, and you might get a minute or two, and then you'll come back and see if this is what your partner was talking about, a sphere. Or you might say, go get a shape that, let me see another one. Go get a shape that has a rectangular face and a square face. And then you can go and say, is it a rectangular prism? So use your describing words with that game. All right, now I'm going to share my document camera and I'm going to show you some other attributes you can do with cubes. This is a die. These are 2 dice. One of the things you can do with a cube, this 3D solid shape, is just like the video said, you can stack them on top of one another. They slide, but they don't roll because they have pointy corners, they have sharp edges, and they have flat faces. But yes, you can stack those. Now it's your turn to go describe attributes of your 3D solid shapes. Have fun.